Welcome to ZooLoop, the ultimate animal showdown channel. Two of the most powerful big cats in the world, the lion, the fearless king of the savanna, and the tiger, the ultimate solitary hunter. But if they went head-to-head, who would win? Let's break it down. Size, strength, speed, and battle tactics. It's the ultimate showdown. First, let's talk about size. The lion is massive, with male lions weighing up to 190 kilograms, 420 pounds, and standing 4 feet tall at the shoulder. But the tiger, even bigger. Siberian tigers can weigh up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds, making them the largest big cats on Earth. In terms of size, the tiger has the edge. Now, what about speed and agility? Lions can hit speeds of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, in short bursts, perfect for ambushing prey. But the tiger, while slightly slower at 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, is far more agile. A tiger's muscular body helps it leap over 10 feet in a single bound. When it comes to quick movements, the tiger is superior. Now let's talk about the most important factor in battle, bite force. The lion's bite is strong, measuring 650 psi, enough to crush bones. But the tiger, even more powerful. With a 1050 psi bite force, it has the strongest bite of all big cats. Not to mention, tigers have longer and sharper claws, designed for solo hunting. In this category, the tiger dominates. Lions, however, are social predators. They rely on their pride to take down massive prey. But in a one-on-one fight, how do they fare? Tigers are solitary hunters, built for one-on-one combat. They attack with stealth and precision, meaning they have more experience fighting alone. Another point for the tiger. All right, if a lion and a tiger fought one-on-one, who would win? Tigers have the edge in size, strength, and bite force. But lions are fierce fighters with better endurance. In the wild, tigers have won more fights, but lions never back down. So, now it's your turn to decide. Drop a yes in the comments if you think the lion is the real king, or drop a if you think the tiger is the ultimate warrior. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and join the fun as we explore the animal kingdom like never before. And thanks for watching.